Hi guys, so today we have the first question of exercise 7.1. So it says to find the distance between the following pairs of points. Formula for distance between 2 points, let it be d. So d equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So let's do the first one. So first one we have 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 1. Let this be x1 and y1 and this be x2 and y2. So if I input in that formula, I would get x2, that is 4 minus 2 square plus 1 minus 3 square. So we have 4 minus 2, that is 2 square, plus 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 square. So we have 4 plus 2 square is 4 and minus 2 square is also 4. So 4 plus 4. So we have 2 times of 4 under root. And we know this can be written as root 2 into root 4. So root 4 will be 2. So the distance between the 2 points is 2 root 2. Next, second one. What is second point? Minus 5 comma 7 and minus 1 comma 3. Same again, distance d is equal to under root minus 5, minus of minus 1 is plus 1, so minus 5 plus 1 square and plus 7 minus 3 square. So what do we have here? Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4 and minus 4 square is 16. Next we have 7 minus 3 is again 4, so 4 square is 16. So similar to the previous one, we have here 2 times 16 and this can be written as root 2 into root 16, where root 16 is equal to 4. Therefore the distance between these 2 points is 4 root 2. Next, third bit. What are the next pair of points? So they are minus 2 comma minus 3 and 3 comma 2. So the distance will be minus 2 of minus 2 minus 3 whole square plus minus 3, so y2 minus y1 minus 2 square. So we have minus 2 minus 3, it is minus 5. So minus 5 square is actually 25. Next again, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Minus 5 square is 25. So again we have 2 times 25. Now this can be written as root 25. Root 25 we know it as 5. So this will be 5 root 2. The distance between these pair is 5 root 2. Next, last bit, a b and minus a minus b. So the fourth one, last one, a comma b and minus a comma minus b. So again, distance d is equal to under root x2, that is minus a, and x1, that is minus, so minus of x1, that is minus a whole square, plus y2, that is minus b, minus y1, that is b, so minus b whole square. So we have minus a is minus 2a square, and similarly minus 2b whole square. So we have this is 4a square plus 4b square whole square. Now if I take 4 common out of the two terms, then I would get 4 of a square plus b square. Now this can be written as root 4 into root a square plus b square, and we know the root 4 value is 2. Therefore the distance between last pair is 2 into a square plus b square. That's it. Hope you understood the question. Subscribe for the next one. Thank you.